Hey everyone, I'm Mr. English, and welcome to Mr. English TV. Let's learn English today.
In this conversation, two strangers meet at a busy restaurant. Judy is sitting alone when David asks to share her table. What starts as a small, quiet moment slowly becomes a friendly and warm conversation. Listen and enjoy.
The food here looks really good.
Yes, it does. I really like this restaurant.
Oh, really? Do you come here often?
Sometimes. Maybe 2 or 3 times a month. What about you?
Actually, this is my first time here.
Oh, welcome then.
Thank you. It's a very nice place, very cozy.
Yes, I think so too. And it's never too loud. I like that.
Me too. I don't like restaurants that are too noisy.
Exactly. It's hard to talk when it's too loud. Oh, sorry. I didn't introduce myself. My name is Judy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Judy. I'm David.
David. That's a great name.
Thank you. Judy is a lovely name too.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind. Are you here alone today, David?
Yes, just me today. I wanted to try somewhere new for lunch. And you?
Same, actually. My friend canceled last minute, so I came alone.
Oh, that's too bad, but maybe it worked out okay?
Huh? Yes, maybe it did. So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Canada, from a city called Toronto. Do you know it?
Yes. I've heard of Toronto. It's a very big city, right?
Yes, it's very big, and very cold in the winter.
Huh, I can imagine. How cold does it get?
Sometimes minus 20 degrees. Maybe colder.
Oh, wow. That is really cold. I don't think I could live there in the winter.
It's not easy, but you get used to it. Where are you from, Judy?
I'm from Japan, actually. From Tokyo.
Tokyo. Wow, I really want to visit Tokyo someday.
You should come. It's a wonderful city. Very busy, but so exciting.
What's your favorite thing about Tokyo?
I think the food. The food in Tokyo is incredible. You can find anything.
That sounds amazing. I love trying new food.
Then you would love it there. I promise.
I hope I can go one day. Is this your first time visiting this city?
No, actually. I live here now. I moved here about 6 months ago.
Oh wow, really? How do you like it so far?
I love it. The people are very friendly, and the food is amazing.
That's great to hear. Was it hard to move to a new country?
A little bit, yes. The first month was difficult. Everything was new and different, but slowly I started to feel at home.
I think that's very brave. Moving to a new country alone, that takes a lot of courage.
Thank you, David. That's a really nice thing to say.
So, Judy, do you work here, or are you a student?
I work here. I'm a graphic designer. I work at a small design company. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm studying English and business at the university.
Oh, that's interesting. Your English is very good, by the way.
Oh no, I'm still learning. I make a lot of mistakes.
Really? I think your English is wonderful. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Thank you, Judy. You're very encouraging. How long have you been working as a designer?
About 4 years now. I really love it. Every day is different.
That sounds like a great job. Do you design things for big companies?
Sometimes. But mostly for small businesses. Logos, websites, things like that.
Wow. I'm not creative at all. I can't even draw a straight line.
Haha. I'm sure that's not true.
No, really, it's bad. Very, very bad.
Well, maybe I can teach you something simple one day.
I would need a lot of lessons, I think. Judy, do you have any hobbies? What do you do in your free time?
Yes. I love drawing and painting. It helps me relax after work. I also go hiking on the weekends. What about you?
I love music. I play the guitar, but just a little. I'm not very good yet.
That's so cool. How long have you been playing?
About 2 years, but honestly, I still need a lot of practice.
Huh. 2 years is not bad at all. What kind of music do you like to play?
I like pop music. Simple songs, easy chords.
Do you have a favorite artist?
I really like Ed Sheeran. His songs are not too difficult for the guitar.
Oh, I love Ed Sheeran. His songs are so beautiful.
Yes. Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. I always wanted to learn piano, but I never started.
You should try. It's never too late.
Maybe one day. Do you sing as well?
Oh no, definitely not. My singing is terrible. Please, no one asked me to sing.
Ha ha. I'm sure it's not that bad.
Trust me, Judy. It is very, very bad.
Okay, I believe you. Huh. Oh, by the way, have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes. I watched a really good one last weekend. It was an action movie. Very exciting.
Oh, nice. I love action movies. What was it called?
I don't remember the exact name, but it was about a spy. Very fast, lots of action.
That sounds fun. I usually watch romantic movies or documentaries.
Documentaries? Really? What kind?
I like nature documentaries. Animals, oceans, forests. I find them very relaxing.
Oh, that's interesting. I never really watch documentaries, but maybe I should try.
Yes. Start with something about the ocean. The ocean documentaries are beautiful.
Okay, I'll try one this weekend.
Good. And then you can tell me what you think.
Huh. So we have to meet again so I can give you my review.
Exactly. That's the plan. David, I really enjoyed talking with you today.
Me too, Judy. This was really nice. I didn't expect to have such a good conversation today.
Same here. You know, it's not every day you sit down next to a stranger and have such a nice time.
That's true. I'm really glad I asked to sit here.
Me too. Would you like to meet again sometime? Maybe for coffee?
Yes, absolutely. I would really like that.
Great. Do you have Instagram? Or should I take your phone number?
Here, let me write down my number for you.
Thank you, David. I'll message you soon.
Perfect. I look forward to it.
Well, have a wonderful afternoon.
You too, Judy. It was really lovely to meet you. Take care.
You too. Bye-bye, David.
Bye, Judy.